Rhyming words. Let's rhyme with Elvis. Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. I'm Elvis the Forgetful Elf. I have lost the 10 keys to Santa's workshop. If I don't open the workshop, there'll be no gifts for Christmas. Oh, I'm so miserable. I need to find the keys soon. Can you help me find the keys? You'll come across different sentence clues. All you need to do to help me is find the rhyming pairs of words. With each correct answer, we'll get a key to Santa's workshop. Are you ready? Wait. First, let me tell you what rhyming words are. Rhyming words are words that have similar ending sounds. Are we good to go? Let's take our first sentence clue. I am an elf, and I sit on a shelf. Oh yes, I do that! Ho ho ho! Can you spot the rhyming words in this sentence? Yes! Elf rhymes with shelf. We have our first key. The cat is wearing a hat. Oh, she looks so funny. Ho ho ho! Can you find the rhyming words? Cat and hat have the same ending sound. Woohoo! We got our second key. The frog is jumping over the log. What are the rhyming words here? Frog rhymes with log. And that's our third key. What's the next sentence? The bee is hovering under the tree. Do you hear two similar sounding words? Yes! Bee and tree have an identical ending sound. We have found our fourth key. The sun's eating a bun. Ho ho ho! That's really funny. Sun and bun have a similar final sound. And that's our fifth key. The bug is under the rug. That's our next sentence. The endings of bug and rug sound alike. That gives us our sixth key. What? The goat is sailing in a boat. That's pretty amusing. Goat and boat have the same final sound. We have our seventh key. Oh, the bear is stuck in the chair. That's hilarious. Bear and chair rhyme. And there is our eighth key. The plums are playing the drums. Ho ho ho! Is this for real? I can't stop laughing. Plums rhymes with drums. And we have our ninth key. The duck is driving the truck. Did you spot the rhyming pair? Duck rhymes with truck. We have our 10th key. Thank you folks for helping me find the 10 keys. I'm going to open Santa's workshop before I forget. And you visit www.tutoringhour.com if you need worksheets to practice identifying rhyming words. Smash the like button now and subscribe for more educational videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.